So I'm feeling a little under the weather, but I wanted to go ahead and do a video for you guys because I only upload once a week and I didn't want to go 2 weeks between bringing you new content. So what we're going to take a look at today, probably just a quick look, but we're going to look at the trash walker. So this is a fun little print. This one's not really so little. This is 175% scale. This was all done on the CR10 Mini. The bin, it's just a 6-part print. The bin was done in Hobby King silver PLA. The legs were in Hicktop black PLA. And these pieces over the feet and the ring were done in Strong Heroes Splendid, their old version. And these two were supposed to be a little bit closer together in color, but I had some issues between prints, and so the colors kind of, you know, the more prints you do, the further the colors kind of diverge from each other. So, but for the most part, this was a simple one to print. The bin is very easy. The ring is easy. These pieces are easy. The legs is kind of where one part I wanted to talk about. So other YouTubers have reviewed this model, and I felt like they didn't really talk about the fact that these legs are kind of challenging to print some of these overhangs without supports. The person that made it said you don't need supports for these legs, and that is true, but to get some of these overhangs you have to get your temperatures just right and your cooling right and print slow. So each of these legs I actually printed 24 hours a piece, which I know is a really long time for just a leg, but the reward was that these overhangs printed really nice, because some of these are really steep. Some of these in here, they're really steep overhangs, but then also another benefit was that I got a really silky glossy finish with this Hicktop black. It came out really nice. So I mean, you could print this a lot quicker, but you're probably going to end up with some curling on the edges on a lot of these overhangs. And I actually still did a little bit right in here, and I'll throw a picture in there. You can see that it's because when it's printing this, there are some sections where it's trying to print overhangs that are just paper thin. There's just really not much there. So, but printing it slow with good cooling and as low a temperature as possible, I think the results came out really good. I'm really happy with this. I think if I kind of like this color combination, but if I change my mind, it's really easy to, you know, it's really simple to go ahead and reprint these to change the color. So you can glue these in, but since I'm not sure if I want to keep this color combination or not, what I'm probably going to do is just put some adhesive back felt around these so that I get a little bit more of a friction fit, just so that it doesn't fall apart on me. So I'll be using this next to one of my printers. I have little 3D printed dumpsters that I have next to most of them now, just for all my scrap filament and stuff. And when I saw this online, I really wanted to print it, and I thought this would be pretty cool just to throw all my scraps and stuff in. So that's it for this one, just a short one. Hopefully you guys liked it. This is a really cool model. Check it out on Thingiverse. The link will be in the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and happy printing.